Hello everyone, this is me, Dr. Rukmini Chaudhary. Our today's topic is R89, Dr. Ekvek Homeopathic German Drops, Hair Care Drop. So we will about this medicine. What are the indication of the medicine? In what problem you can use this medicine? What are combination of the medicine? What other medicine are mixed for a better result? We will be talking about the indication of medicine, the combination, the MRP, the cost of the medicine. If you are watching on YouTube channel, links are given on the description box, so you can buy medicine from there. The MRP, the cost, the duration of the medicine, the doses of the medicine. So let's start. First, the name of the medicine is R89, Dr. Ekvek German Homeopathic Lipocol Hair Care Drops. So hair care drops, right? So this is German medicine, hair care drops. The indication of the medicine. See, this is how it looks like. The indication in what problem you can use this. This is for the hair purpose. So if you are having hair fall, hair related issues like you are having hair fall, hair loss, even in baldness cases, alopecia, you are having premature hair fall, premature graying. If you are having graying of hair, premature. See, or is related and it is premature graying. So you can use in both the condition. The medicine, if you are having weakness and you are having fatty acids craving, you are having fat craving, you are having weakness during hormonal irregularities, you are having due to any reason, if you are having hormonal problem, you are having weakness after fever, so you can use this medicine. So these are the indication of the medicine. Now we will be talking about the combination of the medicine, like next for a better result. See, alfalfa and lactuca medicine, and ornithera and lecithinum. These are the medicine mixed together in R89 for a hormonal problem, irregularities of hormone, any kind of hormonal irregularity. It can be lower, it can be higher. So these balances your hormone issues. So these are the medicine for hormonal problem if you are having hair related issues, right? So these are the medicine mixed together for a better result. Now is the hypophysis. You are having you gain your hair growth, but again there is no further progress in your case, so you can use hypophysis. Hypophysis is the medicine for maintaining that hair growth cycle. So hypophysis is again very good medicine. Now is the jugulence in homeopathy. You might have heard about purification. See, if you are having acne, pimples, you are having eruption on your scalp, means you are having blood toxicity. So this is blood purifier detoxification medicine. So jugulence you can use individually, separately, or it is mixed in this medicine. So when this can give you the better result. Now the phosphoricum, you might have heard about phosphoricum, that very good medicine for the bones, very good medicine for the muscles, even very good medicine for hair regrowth purpose. So you can use phosphoricum as well. Now is the medicine polysorbitum. See, polysorbitum in homeopathy is given in graying purpose, and specifically while you have premature graying, you are having graying before. These are the medicine in R89, the combination, and each medicine is very good for a different purpose. So this is the combined medicine, the combined drops, so you can use for a better results. Now we will be MRP of the medicine. See, the MRP of the medicine is 270 rupees. So price can be changed with the time, right? So this is the or you can buy in a mass, so that you are having any discount. And if you are watching on YouTube, links are given on the description box. You can buy medicine from there as well. Now is the doses of the medicine, like how for a better results. See, this medicine you can use for both the purpose, like you can use this medicine orally as well as locally. Means you can use it orally through mouth, oral dose, and you can apply as well. But you are supposed to have different medicine for the different purpose, and you can put a sticker on the local medicine that this is for the application purpose and this is for the oral purpose. You have to maintain separate to avoiding any kind of infection. See, for the oral use of the medicine. So this is the drop, this is in the liquid form, drop form. So you are just supposed to have, it depends, dose is completely directly proportional always to your severity of the disease. You are having minor problem, moderate problem, you are supposed to use minimal or moderate dose. If you are having severe problem, like it is the case of baldness, alopecia, obviously the dose will be high. In case of hair loss and hair fall, dose will be low. So completely depend on the condition of the problem. So for oral purpose, you are supposed to use 10, 15 or maximum 20 drops in 2 to 3 spoon of water. Lukewarm water, you can mix it and you can have it. Usually we prescribe homeopathic medicine before meal, but this medicine works after meal. So you can use this medicine after 30 minutes of having meal. After meal it can be used 2 to thrice in a day, or if it is a severe case, 4 times you can use. after meal for a regular period of a time, 2 to 3 weeks, even 4 weeks, or depends medicine for a month. There are no side effects. This medicine is side effects free, so you can use, right? So this is the oral use. About the application purpose, see, so you can see, that's why I'm having the different medicine so that it is clear. So this is for the application purpose. See, it is dropper here. In both the medicines, droppers are here, so you can use with the help of dropper. So this is the dropper. You can apply medicine. You can plan your days that when you wash your head, it should be like minimum 2 to 3 times in a week, or alternately you can use if it is the case of baldness and you are supposed to use some precautions are there. Your head, your scalp should be clean and dry. There should be no oil. So every time when you use this medicine, your hair, your scalp should be dry and clean, and you can, with the help of dropper, you can spread the oil across your head, and you can have comb, and you can spread the medicine with the help of comb. So you can like, this is how you can use this medicine. This is water based. There are no problem. You can have mild, there are no problem. Some patient have mild eruptions and they goes itself. There is no harm, right? So this is how you can use application medicine for application purpose. So these are the doses of the medicine, and you are supposed to use for a regular period of a time. Depends when you get start improvement. Once you get start having improvement, you can decrease or taper down the doses, and you can continue the medicine. So hopefully these video can help you. If you find these video informative, please like and share videos, and you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.